Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond doc. All right, I've taken care of soldering or reconnecting this wire coming off of this percussion transformer. The other connections in this AO28 look tight. They look good, and I believe I'm good to go now. I believe this amp will play as it should. You can tell somebody's been in here doing some soldering work, because look at this. They burned that wire there. So somebody's been in here, and they thought that the static that was coming from the AO28 was in the swell assembly here, because they had removed this swell cover and they didn't replace all of the screws there. But that wasn't the problem. The problem was with this wire. And so I'm thinking that the person that sold the organ, they couldn't figure it out. They couldn't fix it. And like I said, it had a number of other issues as well that I've taken care of now. And I'm going to clean these drawbars. I'm going to take care of that next. But it had the bass pedal assembly problem that we took care of. Brother Santee, Steve Santee of Kansas City, helped me with that. And then I took care of the AO28 issue. And there was a couple of other things that I did. And I believe this organ is just about ready. Like I said, I'm going to clean these the drawbars there, and I've already cleaned the potentiometers here, cleaned these pots. So soon this organ will be ready to crank it up and work it out. Just like Jesus, we'll work it out. All right. Don't get me started preaching. So I'm excited about the progress that has been made on this beautiful Hammond B3 organ. And very soon somebody's going to be sitting on this bad boy rocking Daniels. So I'm just trying to get it ready. Let me check this little cap out here too. Let me check this thing out. Let's see, it was another one. That one I'm gonna check out. What else? Okay, and that one over there. Check those caps. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. This is Doc Kemp, the Hammond. I already changed that one. The Hammond Doc. Saying to you, till the next video. Peace out.